Hey guys, and welcome to another RYOYY First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out Sportube's Overhead Padded Boot Bag. Sportube is a ski and snowboard brand that makes a ton of accessories for traveling with your ski and snowboard gear. Today we're going to be looking at their padded boot backpack, but they do have a ton of gear for ski and snowboards for you to travel, hard cases, soft cases, whatever, to and from the mountain when the mountain isn't so close to home. But without further ado, let's give this bad boy a walk around, huh? Let's check out some of the outer features. Obviously, first and foremost, here we have a nice little helmet pouch. This thing can be fully stowed if you don't actually have a helmet with you, so no need to worry about that. If you're worried about it getting caught during your travel, no worries. You can just simply remove it from these little clips on either side right here. On the front, you can see they have two additional zippered pouches. This bottom one here is a little bit smaller, perfect just for fitting if you don't need to use it. The helmet clip right in, zip it shut. And this other zipper right here, this pouch is a padded, soft tablet pocket. So if you want to bring your tablet with you, got a place to store it. Taking a look on the side here, you see they have a little pouch, perfect for just a pair of sunglasses or just small odds and ends that you want to keep with you on hand, maybe a charger or something like that. And then they have another one right at the bottom here. And on the other side, water bottle pouch. You'll notice on either side they have these little vents here too. This is amazing. Can ventilate a little bit more and just let some of the fresh air get to your boots so it's not just a tomb of disgustingness. And of course, right on top here, they have a small stash pocket just for quick items. Again, if you need to get to them at a moment's notice when you're traveling, they're right there. Super easy, really convenient. All right, now let's open this guy up and see what's inside. So there are two different zippers. This front one is really just for easy access to get to the clothing compartment. And then they have a second main zipper that actually opens up to the boot bag. And it is padded, obviously, to help prevent your back from getting stabbed by boots. Boom. The main pouch. It's pretty big. Obviously, it's supposed to house your boots, so it's got to be decently sized, right? The back is padded right here, just so it protects your back from being stabbed by boots. Obviously, that's going to be super uncomfortable, and just from things getting clunked around. There are these straps here to keep your boots in place. Again, super helpful, so they're not moving and just, I guess, getting in weird positions during your travels. And you'll notice right here, they have a partition so that you can easily just open up your bag completely, fill everything, and then close it. This front section is for clothing and just different apparel, stuff that you're going to be, taking with you to the mountain, wearing that aren't your boots, jackets, gloves, that kind of thing. What I really like about this is they have this piece right here that keeps it partitioned separate, but they also have another zipper in the front right here. So if you need to get to your clothes and you want to keep your boots where they are, you don't actually have to dig everything out and find what you're looking for. It also really helps that the actual lining of the bag itself is super brightly colored, so it's easier to find smaller items. This is a pretty substantial pack. In total, it is 48 liters. Obviously, boots are not tiny items, and of course, it does have that extra room for clothing. This thing is a backpack. It does have padded straps, which makes it way more comfortable to carry. They do have a sternum strap just to keep things a little bit more cohesive and steady on your back. And they do have plenty of straps so you can adjust the fit to fit you perfectly. If you are a skier or a snowboarder who travels often to different mountains around the world, I would definitely recommend grabbing one of these boot bags. It'll make your life way easier when you're carrying your boots. Plus, on top of all of that, it is airport security compliant. It has been rated and tested to fit in overhead compartments, so you do not need to worry about traveling with it either, which is a huge plus. If you are a skier or a snowboarder who travels often to ride, do yourself a favor, grab Sportube's Overhead Boot Bag. You will not regret it. That's it for our first look of Sportube's Overhead Padded Boot Backpack. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video, and subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with the newest, latest, and greatest first looks coming out every week. If you haven't already, check out the RYOYY membership where you can save up to 50% off thousands and thousands and thousands of gear from some amazing brands just like Sportube. That's it for now, and we'll catch you next week with another RYOYY First Look.